is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, ang pag-uusapan natin today ay paano mo i-convert yung iyong mga ibang currency sa loob ng iyong PayPal. Maraming dahilan kung bakit mo gagawin ito. For example, you want to transfer the money from your PayPal to GCash. So, kailangan mo ng Peso account sa GCash for you to be able to do that. So, ngayon, papakita ko how to convert other currencies, other foreign currencies to pesos inside PayPal using PC. Kasi marami na ako nakikita ng mga pamamaraan on how to do it, pero via mobile phone. So, ngayon, papakita ko how to do it via your computer, your desktop, or via your PC. Let's get started! So, mag-sign in lang tayo dun sa ating PayPal account. Okay, as you can see here, meron tayo ditong currencies na peso, euro, and dollars. I-click lang natin yung ellipsis vertical icon, tapos go to money page. Click that. As you can see here, nandito na yung available funds natin for our US dollars. So, convert currency. Click mo lang yung convert currency. Okay. Dito natin. US dollar, convert currency. Because we're trying to convert dollar to peso. So, click convert currency. Okay. Tayin lang natin mag-load at makikita natin na merong 91,721 na peso pag kinonvert mo yung available funds mo from yung US dollar mo na available na funds. So, i-convert natin yan to Philippine Peso and then click next. At yan, i-review mo lang and then click convert. So, okay na. Okay na sa PayPal, meron ka ng na-convert na dollars to peso. As you can see here, meron ka ng money for your peso na funds. Thank you!